Hello everyone, welcome back to Structure Expert KH. Today I'll show you how to install product of Seismosoft, and you can install it all. Now I specific on one product on the Seismo bidding. Right click, open, click open. For more detail, please ask me in the comment or in the group. You can search in the Google www.seismosoft.com. There are several products here. Now I specific on product on the bidding and how to install it. You can click or right click on the Seismo bidding, right click, or Seismo structure, right click to search more info. Okay, you can read document here about each product. Open the folder, click on the one product you want to install. Now I want to install the Seismo bidding. Right click, and you can install it all. Now I specific on one product on the Seismo bidding. Right click, open, click open. Next, accept, next, install. Yes. Finish. Now let's try other products. I want to install Seismo structure. Right click, open. Next, accept, next, install. Yes. Finish. I will provide you the link of this software in the description below. You can check in this description. Now you can find me on the YouTube, Structure Expert KH. Structure Expert KH, and enter. Here it is my new YouTube channel. Please move on the channel. For my previous channel, or my old channel is Structure Expert. Okay, this is my old channel. Please move from this old channel to new channel, Structure Expert KH. You will find new document, new tutorial here, and link with the Telegram group. I provide you full document and software installation in the folder of the software here. Okay, continue to the next step. Click on the zero code. This software available only for the zero code user and unit. I want keep international system or unit SI in the default and the European side. Now you can change it to the US side. I want to keep it in the European in the default, click OK, or you can change the nationality. Here the nationality in the software Seismo bidding. Now I want to keep it in the default, click OK. Here we go. This is how you can complete installation the software Seismosoft bidding. This is the software in all the product Seismosoft. This is my new channel. You can search for more tutorial here. Now I just upload new video about how to use a structural designer. Start from the steel building or steel wall industry. This tutorial is a complete set from the foundation to the steel connection design. Now I post on the IS code and continue to the AI SC360 setting. And the future I will post the 0.3 how to design steel wall in structural designer based on the 0.3. Let's jump to the new channel structure expert KH. I provide you the link in the description below. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you.